Plaintiff, the petitioner Mutt and respondent 11 Mutt, lords are disputing the Moola Brindavana.
Will you ask the court or you don't ask?
But my lords,
It's not going to all that. I'm asking you one simple question.
please.
Has this request been made by way of, it should be by way of an IA
Yes, my lords, we have made,
order?
my lords, we submitted settlement agreement before the,
You want the proceedings to be stayed
yes, my lords.
till the SLP, whatever is pending before the court. What you are supposed to do? Why will the High Court be exercising and 227 will say stay the proceedings without any order impugned before the court?
It's only not to precipitate, my lords, until my lords the same.
Bravo, that is not permissible under law. Please come.
Based on the IA, my lords, the order has been passed at page number 330. my lords.
Where is that?
Can you take page number 330, my lords?
Then what is this prayer? What is this prayer?
Not to precipitate the matter itself. Yes, my lords, I understand, my lords, the order, my lords, passed on the IA. It's not been, my lords, produced before this honorable court. But my lords, the order sheet, my lords, reflects, my lords, the observation made by the trial court, my lords, with respect to IA filed by us.
That let the court issue a direction to the trial court to stay, not to proceed with the matter till SLP is filed.
Yes, my lords.
This is not a writ of mandamus you are seeking.
Liberty may kindly be granted, my
Where is
lords.
that IA? Where is the IA? Copy of the IA.
IA, my lords, will not produce, my lords.
Huh?
Order sheet has to be filed.
IA sheet is even what you have filed before the court also not before the court. That you have to understand.
Yes,
Let it be anything. You may have 100% a case on the merits of the matter. Whoever, now you file this petition here, I don't pass any order. On that, will you go to Supreme Court? You cannot. Yes.
Not for the petition, my lords. But this petition is filed, my lords, invoking my lords supervisory jurisdiction because, my lords, the petitioner is Uttaradi Mutt, and my lords, the dispute is with respect to respondent
Take
number.
the prayer,
Please, my lords,
issue a writ or direction.
directing the trial court, my lords, not to precipitate.
Proceedings on the file of the disposal of civil.
Yes, my lords. I'll brief the facts, my lords. May I, my lords?
You will come for that to this court.
My lords, what has happened is, my lords, the plaintiff, the petitioner Mutt and respondent 11 Mutt, lords, are disputing the Moola Brindavana.
Will you ask the court or you don't ask?
Lords, my lords, made a submission before court stating that, my lords, there is a settlement agreement in place. The same has to be reported before the Honorable Supreme Court, wherein, my lords, retired Justice, my lords, has been appointed as a mediator. Pursuant to it, my lords, the settlement agreement is, my lords, executed. But, my lords,
It's not going to all that. I'm asking you one simple question.
please.
Has this request been made by way of, it should be by way of an IA
Yes, my lords, we have made,
order?
my lords, we submitted settlement agreement before the,
You want the proceedings to be stayed
yes, my lords.
till the SLP, whatever is pending before the court. What you are supposed to do? You are supposed to file an IA before the court seeking stay of the proceedings in the light of so and so. If they don't, if the court doesn't pass any order, passes an adverse order, then you will come to the court.
Yes.
Straight away, will you file a writ petition?
My lords, can you take notes order sheet, my lords? Can you take order sheet at, my lords?
To
Please.
227, we will not exercise in this manner. You have to go before the court, seek an order from the court. If it is not, either it is not disposed or it is, another order is passed, come here. Why will the High Court be exercising and 227 will say stay the proceedings without any order impugned before the court?
It's only not to precipitate, my lords, until, my lords, the same.
Bravo, that is not permissible under law. Please come. The present writ petition is
My
filed
lords,
seeking the following prayer.
for once, my lords, can you take my lords to the order sheet, my lords, at page number 329, 330, my lords?
You have to understand what I'm saying.
Yes, my lords, we
Whatever
understand.
it is,
But we are not
seek and invite an order from the court. File an application. If the court is not hearing your application, then come to the court. Court will say dispose of that. But we will not just because court is not doing something, we will not pass an order saying the suit till SLP is pending.
Lords, the same, my lords, is observed in the order sheet itself, my lords.
What is that observed?
Lords, may I read, my lords, page number 330.
That is not an order. You file an IA.
Lords, based on the IA, my lords, the order has been passed at page number 330, my lords.
Where is that?
Lords, can you take page number 330, my lords?
Then what is this prayer? What is this prayer?
Not to precipitate the matter itself, my lords. Yes, my lords, I understand, my lords, the order, my lords, passed on the IA. It's not been, my lords, produced before this honorable court. But, my lords, the order sheet, my lords, reflects, my lords, the observation made by the trial court, my lords, with respect to IA filed by us, my lords.
Then what you should say? So and so docket order dated so and so has to be set aside or something you should ask. How can you say that let the court issue a direction to the trial court to stay, not to proceed with the matter till SLP is filed?
Yes, my lords.
This is not a writ of mandamus you are seeking.
Yes, my lords. On my lords, 23rd of January 2026, my lord, we filed a memo seeking deferment of all interim applications.
Please show which para, which page.
It's page number 330, my lords.
330, yes, read it.
Lord Learned Counsel for Defendant number 1 filed memo to defer the hearing of all interim applications on the ground that the matter is pending before the Honorable Supreme Court of India for mediation in respect of suit property and other properties, hence prays to defer the hearing of all interim applications till settlement before the Honorable Supreme Court.
Nothing for objections on your memo, it is posted.
Lords, on 7/2, my lords, settlement agreement was also reported before the learned trial court, my lords. But my lords, the same was not taken on record, and
Whatever you say, the court can't do. You file an IA. The respondents want to file their objections. Settlement is between both the parties, not alone you will file the settlement. When they have filed, that is what the court said, for objections by 7/2/2026. And in the meantime, you have come here.
they have not filed objections, my lords, but my lords, the suit is filed by representatives of the both the mutts, my lords, petitioner mutt and respondent number 11 mutt. My lords.
Present petition is filed, sing the following prayer. It is a case of the petitioner that they filed an IA.
Lords, liberty may kindly be granted, my
Where is
lords.
that IA? Where is the IA? Copy of the IA?
Here, my lords, will not produce, my lords.
Huh?
Order sheet has we have filed.
IA sheet is even what you have filed before the court also not before the court. File an IA. Not to proceed with the proceedings in OS number 35 of 2024 on the file of the Principal Civil Judge JMSC Gangavati till the disposal of civil appeal number 1376706 of 2024. It is a case of the petitioner that the court is proceeding with the matter without this deciding the IA. As such, they have come before this court. Next paragraph. Having heard the counsel for the petitioner, per the material on record. The petitioner wants the stay of the proceedings till the SLP is decided. In that case, he has filed the IA number 2 or 8.
Lords,
This is IA number
8.
IA number 8. The plaintiff prayed time for objection to the said memo. And D2 submitted that there is no settlement in respect of the suit property before the Supreme Court of India and prays to file objections. Hence, the court has adjourned the matter to 7/2/2026 for filing the objections. In the meantime, the present writ petition is filed.
Lords, may I pass on this order sheet, my lords. Both, my lords, the defendant number 1 and
Whatever it is, that is not the jurisdiction of this court. That you have to understand.
Just a-
Let it be anything. You may have 100% a case on the merits of the matter. Whoever, now you file this petition here, I don't pass any order. On that, will you go to Supreme Court? You cannot. What did you do? In the meantime, the present writ petition is filed. The petitioner cannot come before this court seeking such a relief. If the court, any application is not heard by the court, he can seek a direction from this court to expedite the hearing. And just because the court has given time to file the objection, that is also on till 7/2/2026. Now it is already, now we are on 12th of February, and the petitioner cannot seek a direction from this court on whatsoever reason to stay the proceedings of the court. That is impermissible. The petitioner has to invite an order from the court, but not from this court. Accordingly, the writ petition, the petitioner cannot maintain this writ petition with the relief as sought for. However, considering the facts and circumstances, this court is passing the following order. The court shall consider the IA number 8 filed by the petitioner as expeditiously as possible. Number two, this court is not proposing to issue notice to the respondent as this court is not passing any order on the adverse to the interest of the respondent. Yes. And after hearing the parties, the same shall be disposed of.
Grateful minutes.
Yes.